Welcome to Junior Journeys Kids channel.
Hello, kids. Waving hand, let's learn how to write the ABC letters together. Get your pencil and notebook ready.
Wow!
Draw one slanting line down from top to bottom, left. Draw another slanting line down from top to bottom, right. Connect them in the middle with a small horizontal line.
A is for an apple.
Draw one straight line down. Draw one big curve on the top. Draw another big curve on the bottom.
B is for banana.
Draw a big curve starting from top to bottom, open on the right side.
C is for cat.
D. Draw one straight line down. Make a big curve from the top to the bottom to join both ends.
D is for dolphin.
E. Draw a straight line down. Add 3 short horizontal lines. One at the top, one in the middle, and one at the bottom.
E is for an egg.
F. Draw one straight line down. Add a short line at the top, and a shorter one in the middle.
F is for flower.
G. Draw a big C shape. Add a short line inside near the bottom right.
G is for goat.
H. Draw 2 straight lines down. Join them in the middle with a short line.
H is for hen.
Draw one straight line down. Add a short line on top and bottom.
I is for iron.
J. Draw a straight line down. Curve it at the bottom to the left.
J is jug.
K. Draw one straight line down. Draw a slanting line from the middle to the top right. Draw another slanting line from the middle to the bottom right.
K is for kite.
L. Draw one straight line down. Add a short line at the bottom to the right.
L is for lemon.
Draw one straight line down. Draw another straight line down on the right. Connect both lines with 2 slanting lines in the middle, making an up and down peak.
M is for milk.
Draw one straight line down. Draw a slanting line from top left to bottom right. Draw one straight line up on the right side.
N is for nest.
Draw a big round circle, just like a ball.
O is for an owl.
V. Draw one straight line down. Add a half curve on the top right.
P is for parrot.
Q. Draw a big circle like O. Add a small slanting line inside at the bottom right.
Q is for quill.
Draw one straight line down. Add a half curve on the top right, like P. Draw a slanting line from the middle to the bottom right.
R is for rabbit.
Draw a small curve at the top, then another curve at the bottom, just like a snake shape.
S is for snake.
V. Draw one straight line down. Add one long line on top.
T is for tiger.
U. Draw a straight line down. Curve it at the bottom and go up again.
U is for umbrella.
V. Draw one slanting line down to the middle. Draw another slanting line up to the right.
V is for van.
W. Draw one slanting line down. Another slanting line up, forming V. Then another down and up again, double V shape.
W is for wagon.
X. Draw one slanting line from top left to bottom right. Draw another slanting line from top right to bottom left.
X is for xylophone.
Y. Draw two short slanting lines meeting in the middle, like a V. From that point, draw a straight line down.
Y is for yo-yo.
Z. Draw one straight line across the top. Draw a slanting line down to the bottom left. Draw another straight line across the bottom.
Z is for zebra.
Great job, kids! You learned how to write all the letters. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more learning videos.